G'day guys, Calvin from the Coaching Company New Zealand. What we're going to do today is change an integration relay on a 2013 Toyota Hilux. Now, this relay assembly is common to a lot of vehicles across the Toyota range, the Hiaces and the Hiluxes. And this one was about 2004-2005. They changed to like a big fuse block with a whole lot of different fuses in it, and integration relay which has got normally about 4 relays in it. Contains the fog relay, the horn relay, the EFI relay, and the circuit opening relay. In some of the diesel models it contains the ECD relay and the AFR relay. And as you can see, no fog lights, so no fog in this one, but the relay still contains the fog lights. It's just there's no wiring in the ute. And there is the relay assembly that we're going to be changing. Oh, it doesn't even come with fuses. Now we're doing this one partly because this vehicle's got an intermittent fault where it doesn't fire the fuel pump, only every now and again. We've done the testing, we've done the checking. It doesn't leave us many other options, and whilst I hate to just change a part in the hope that that's that part, it's kind of about an 80% chance that this is the fault, that it's a relay fault. And it's acting like a relay fault, and the circuit opening relay and the fuel pump relay have been tested. I've changed the wiring on the vehicle. The vehicle's got a 3Z fitted. So I've changed the wiring a little bit in here to suit an LS430. And that means that the fuel pump relay, it doesn't matter whether it functions or not, providing the circuit opening relay, which is actually the primary fuel pump relay, does function. So step one is to remove this. Now, I've already been doing diagnostics, so this is easy to remove. You'll see the fuse box is upside down. I'm going to get this battery out. I need some bolts undone, battery out of the way, as I said, and get this out so I can remove the integration relay, which is that unit right there. Fuse box assembly, only bolts in here and down there. And here's our integration relay. There and there's got to be pops. So these are little clips. So we're going to unplug underneath, and we're going to get in here, and we're going to pry this little clip, and we're going to pry this little clip here, and then push from the bottom, and it's going to pop out the top. So we're going to unplug it. Again, I'm going in with my little screwdriver. And there's the big one at the end. There we go. Big main power input. And then this one unplugs easy. That one, and then this end one. So that's the plugs done. And then pushing from underneath, and I get my tool in here, and it's going to take some force, and it's probably going to hurt my fingers a little bit. Out you go. And then do this one at this end, and there it goes. And let's hope I got the right one. Right, here's the replacement. Same part number. 82641 71010. We've got to put the fuses in, of course. Well, what's really nice is in here is all corroded. It's really bad. So I've had to recycle the fuses, but I am going to get brand new fuses for this. And we're going to slip this unit back in. So really easy to reinstall. It just clips into place. We plug it back together, put it back together, put it all, reassemble the vehicle. Well, it's fantastic to find that there was corrosion. There's a valid reason for changing it, and that my diagnosis may have been somewhat correct, even though I'm only claiming an 80% chance this is the problem. There's something more to reinforce my diagnosis. Put it back together. I can put the cover back on. Beauty. Right, now bolt it back in here, bolt down there, battery back in, main alternator wire back in, start the vehicle, check it's all good. We're all fitted up. I was meant to pop this side. There we go. So there's our relay fitted. I didn't actually discuss there's the fusing, the main fuse. So this is actually a bank of fuses. So if we have a look under here, well, we can really see it, but there's the alternator fuse, power seat fuse, a battery fuse, AM1, AM2, ABS fuses, the heater fuses. So there's quite a lot of fuses in that. In this case, not all of them are used. However, this is a bit like the integrated relay where it's a complete unit. You have to replace the whole thing if something goes wrong. And of course, once you've done a job, always check it. Oh, I need the keys. Perfect. We're happy. So that's been helpful. We'll talk to you again soon. Catch you later.